storm right now.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Campbell County, Central Bedford County, Central Amherst County, the city of Lynchburg, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sedalia to near Bedford to near Manita, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Bedford, Amherst, Huddleston, Clifford, Forest, and Evington.
I think we're in
This
this
includes
one.
the following locations: Liberty University, the National D-Day Memorial, and Lynchburg Airport.
No. Doubleheader! What's... Oh no, tornado warning. Probably areas south of here.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Caswell County, southeastern
Okay,
Pittsylvania County,
that's for
southwestern
North Carolina.
Halifax County until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Blanche, or near Providence, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail.
Sheesh.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Milton, Samora, and Blanche. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.